Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. I hope you are having a wonderful and terrific Thanksgiving morning. This video is coming early in the morning so you can get something, maybe if you have some extra ingredients and you need something to do with it. I wanted to get this out for you guys. We are doing a walnut pie. So stay tuned. During the intro, why don't you hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give me a thumbs up. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a walnut maple pie. I heard about this pie on, I think Fallon was talking about it over at the Moss Family TV. I went and I didn't see her actually make it. So, because I was busy doing stuff. And so I went and searched for this recipe. I screenshot it. I found one online. I don't know if it's the same one she used, but I screenshotted it and my phone did not pick up the website where I found it at. So, I cannot give credit because I'm not sure where it was at. But I mean, I could go back and look, I guess, but it's not on my screenshot. So anyway, if you're interested in this, I'll leave the recipe I used, but if you want to go look for it, so you know whose idea it is, just search walnut maple pie. But that's what we're going to do now. I'm hoping to get this out for you guys. I doubt, Brian, we taste test it, but, so I'm trying to get this out to you so you have it for Thanksgiving. I'm going to try to put it out first thing Thanksgiving morning. Tonight we're doing a live. I may get Bryant to test it on live. And so if you're interested, go back and look for the live video. It's the celebration, the 70,000 subscriber celebration party Q&A. Go back and look for our live video. And I'll see if I can get him to taste test it tonight on that. But you'll have to go back because this won't upload until after the live. So we're kind of doing things in reverse, but that's okay. I wanted to get this out to you. This is Thanksgiving, and I wanted to get this in case you had a last minute dessert need and you had walnuts in your freezer. So here you go. Okay guys, you have seen me for the intro, and as you can tell, it's not the same outfit. That's because the intro was videoed after this, and I just came in from the farm, showered, threw my hair up, and I'm looking rough. So we're just going to show you what we're doing. So I had an unbaked, this is an unbaked pie shell, and I've put 1.5 cups of pecan, walnut pieces in here. So the next thing we're going to do, and I didn't have my whisk, but we'll get it in a minute, is crack 3 eggs, 3 large eggs, in here. All right, let me grab my whisk. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna whisk these up real quick, and I'm going to measure out 1.25 cups of maple syrup. Oh, I hope I'm going to have it. Go, 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 go. Oh, I'm going to have right at 1 cup. That's okay. I think really 1 cup's all it needs, because we're going to add brown sugar. But you know the recipe calls for 1.25 cups. But we have 1 cup. Alright, so we're going to add some brown sugar. I want to be sure to get all this out. Since I could add some other pancake syrup, I guess, but I'm not. Okay, so I'm grabbing the brown sugar, and we're going in with a heavy packed 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Come on out. Okay. Let me give that a whisk. Trying to get all those lumps out of the brown sugar. Okay, so to that, I'm going to add in 2 heaping tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I do heat mine. The recipe just calls for 2 tablespoons, but I always heat mine just to ensure it's setting up. Okay guys, I got 2 more things. I'll be right back. Okay guys, in here I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter that I've also just poured in some vanilla, about 2 teaspoons of vanilla, more or less, whatever you prefer on the vanilla. Now, the recipe calls for cinnamon and nutmeg, and I can't find any nutmeg. I thought I had some, but obviously I don't. So we're just going to add cinnamon today. About a teaspoon, probably, a teaspoon and a half. And when it comes to cinnamon, I kind of let my nose be the judge of if I have enough or not. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay guys, my oven is preheating to 375. And I'm going to place this on a cookie sheet with parchment paper just in case it was to bubble over. Alright, so we're going in with this goodness. The recipe didn't say a deep dish, but I'm glad I used a deep dish. Now you can shake up your walnuts a little bit if you want to. So, note to self, if you're watching this, be sure to use a deep dish. I did. I played it safe. Okay, so I'm going to put this on a cookie sheet with a piece of parchment and into the oven at 375 it goes. I'll let you know exactly how long it takes as soon as it comes out. Okay folks, take a gander at that beauty. She is a beauty. So we're letting her cool. Probably won't get to taste her on this video because I want to get this up to you before Thanksgiving, and we probably won't cut her until Thanksgiving. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. It turned out absolutely beautiful. We have not done the live video yet, so Bryant will has probably taste tested it on the live, although we haven't done it yet. It's weird talking in past tense and yet it being future. It's odd. But anyway, I know Isaac has tasted it and he loved it. So if you're interested to see how this all turned out, how about going back to the live video and checking out and see Bryant's reaction to it. I hope I remember to get him to taste it on the live video. But happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I just want you all to know how much I appreciate you and how much you mean to me, and to let you know that I thank the Lord for you every single day. And I'm just thankful. I'm thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for this platform. I'm thankful for this ministry that I get to have. And I love you guys. And from our house to yours, happy